I just got done washing my neighbor's car. Just see if I can make a few bucks while on quarantine. Why not? Instead of just sitting around the house. Got an unboxing to do of an item that just came in as well. And if you live in Florida, you know about them love bugs, and they are terrible. Splatter all over your car, eat the paint. Especially if you don't take care of it right away. So here's the money I got from my neighbor. Taking no chances, man. Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day here in Orlando. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a catch can. Bought this because LS motors suffer from blow-by with oil vapors manifold and running down into your piston chambers. So I got this catch can here, which I'm going to be installing. It's got all these components here. Got the brass fittings for which the hoses go into. This is your drain. This thing is severely tight. Alright, so it's just a empty canister. And it should have two filters embedded in here. So you're going to have one end that's going to plug into the, it's going to go into the valley cover since I have an LS6 valley cover. And one end's going to go right into the manifold. Take a look outside. Feels like it's about 76 degrees. It's really breezy. Feels really, really good outside. Alright, so what is the purpose of a catch can? It is fitted onto the crankcase ventilation system, and it helps with that blow-by. The oil vapors recirculating back into the intake, which can burn up in your combustion chambers and cause a lot of gunk to happen. So that's pretty much why I bought this, because there's a lot of oil blow-by with the LS motors, like I said. So let's get this thing fitted. Okay, let's put this thing together. So I had to give myself a wrench. Get this a little tighter on there. Actually, this piece is going to go in here, into the cap. And this is going to be fitted into the cap itself. And there we go. And then this is the mounting bracket. So we're going to get this all installed. Okay, for the bracket, it's going to have a little Allen key screw in there, which is a 3/32 to tighten this down. But I'm not going to tighten this all the way until I can see how it mounts up in the car. So that just keeps it from moving around. Now it looks like I'm going to take out this top bolt there and mount this up right there. Seems pretty good. Unless I can get it down here, but no, I don't feel comfortable with that. Trying to find a place where there'll still be enough clearance and I'm still able to drain it and have a little room. So I'm going to probably just adjust the bracket down a little bit, have this maybe set up a little higher, and just hope it doesn't like hit the hood. Alright, to get this bolt out, it's going to be a 7/32 Allen key. Go ahead and get this threaded in here and then tighten it up with that Allen key again. Looks like a pretty good fit so far, so I might still be able to adjust this can, raise it up a little. Okay, there we go. It's in place, nice and tight. And see if I can make a few adjustments from the bracket in the can. So this is the Pcv hose. It's going from the valley cover up into the manifold here. So I got to remove those brackets and pull that out, and then hook up these hoses that came with the can itself. Okay, so here's that stem coming out of the valley cover, and then right above it, right here, that's the stem that goes into the manifold. So I'm going to run a hose from the top into the valley cover, and then the bottom fitting here is going to go into the manifold. So I'm going to cut this just to length. Alright, hopefully you can hear me on this audio here. Wind is kicking up a bit. So I got it all installed, cut the hoses to length. So the hose that's going to run in the top of the catch can is going to go into the valley cover. And this one here on the side is going to run into the side of the intake manifold. So just remember, top to bottom, side to side. So that's it. That's real simple. It's not hard to do. Everything's in place. And it should catch all the oil, bypass hopefully. There will be less oil that'll be going into the intake, burning inside your combustion chambers. And then it's got that drain on the bottom. So just go ahead and drain that out. A little bit of that at a time, or you maybe check it every oil change, or maybe every 1,500 miles, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm probably going to do a follow-up on this. So I'm probably going to just do a couple checks on this. I haven't been driving the car much. I haven't been working. I'm on that furlough thanks to the company I work for, but whatever, I'm still getting the money. So I'll keep you all posted. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. You learn from it. And this is Chemical Sport, out.